What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 28th. Let's get right to the very first article. Will there be a fourth stimulus check? Basically, if you didn't watch my last video, there is going to be an upcoming Joe Biden speech, and the speech may offer some kind of clues or insight regarding a fourth stimulus check package. Not only that, if you didn't watch my last video, this article right here, House Democrats unveil a plan to make either $300 a month or possibly allegedly up to $1,000 per month for every single child in a household ages 17 or below. Those are the two articles right there. Basically, when I look over them, I'm going to go more in detail. I'm going to summarize them. But if you haven't watched my last video right here, fourth stimulus check update, monthly stimulus checks, I highly recommend you go watch it. But before we continue with this video, I want to take 2 seconds out this video to let you know I post daily videos, minimum 1 if not 2 videos every single day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment an emoji. Any emoji will enter you in the giveaway, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. I've given away over $23,580 free out my own pocket for these giveaways, and I've given over 1,538 people free Amazon gift cards, guys. Not only did I give away every single penny for all my last stimulus checks, but also every single dollar I make on my YouTube I give away. If you want to support me, hit this white join button, become a member. There's a bunch of perks, but we'll get more on that later. Let's get back to the article, starting with the very first article. Since Congress passed the American Rescue Plan in March, the IRS has actually sent out 161 million payments, totaling more than $379 billion. But according to a recent, survey, 2/3 of Americans said the $1,400 check won't last 3 months, and 60% said they actually use some, if not all, of their last stimulus check to go towards paying some kind of debt, bills, to stop going further in financial debt, to actually not go homeless, not go poverty. Comment below if you actually use some of your stimulus check money to pay bills. I'm very genuinely curious to see what people comment. I read every single comment. I like and heart 500 or 1,000 comments every single day. Like I said earlier, if you haven't watched my last video, I highly recommend you go watch it. It goes more in depth and detail, whereas this video I just summarize and quickly update. But an expanded child tax credit will receive $3,600 per child every single year. What does this mean? Because of this article, allegedly, Democrats unveiled a plan to make allegedly somewhere between $300 or $1,000 a month permanent until the end of the year per child ages 17 or below. Please comment below. Would you actually prefer to see $300 a month or $1,000 a month per child? And that's pretty much it, guys. Just a very quick video today. I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't lie. I don't make stuff up like other YouTubers. I keep it 100% real. I show you my articles. I show you my sources. I show you exactly what I'm looking at. And like I said earlier, I definitely recommend you watch my last video. It goes more in detail. There's a lot more news covering in this video. But today, literally hasn't been a lot of news come out at all. Basically, my last video covers most of it. And I'm not just going to lie to you, BS you, just keep saying the same thing over again. If you want to support me, if you want to support these daily giveaways, please hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, literally less than $1. And every single penny of that goes right back to buying more Amazon gift cards to give away, so I can continue helping people. I can continue these daily giveaways. Again, not only that, if you hit this white join button, you become a member. You get a diamond next to your name. If you see someone in the comment section with different color diamond, it's because they're a member. They pay 99 cents. They're part of the best community on YouTube. You get a diamond next to your name that changes colors. You get members only cartoon emojis. You get members only community tab. You get exclusive pictures, videos, polls, live streams, giveaways, live chat. Every single day, if you look at the videos, there's a live chat. What does this mean? Basically, if you are a member, you get to actually watch me live, interact with me, ask me questions. I answer them live, and you get to message my email literally before anyone else gets to see it, because members get to see these videos live, where everyone else sees it after the fact, after the live stream is over, after I'm talking to people live. Then the live stream gets uploaded as a video on my channel. So again, if you do want to be part of the best community on YouTube, hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents. Enter the giveaway, hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment an emoji. Again, any emoji will enter you in the giveaway, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. And that's pretty much it, guys. I keep it 100% honest. There hasn't been much news. That's pretty much it for today. If you haven't watched my last video, again, I highly recommend you go watch it. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.